This is probably one of the biggest small businesses you've never heard of. We're so excited. We want to open this up and show you guys just what we got in the mail. One thing we noticed is that the packaging is all made from sustainable and recycled materials. So we know this product is green from the very start. Look at this, wow. As you see here, it is labeled that it is non-toxic, it's healthy, made in the USA, and it's green. These are gorgeous. So what is Miriam's Earthen cookware? Miriam's Earthen cookware is 100% non-toxic, lead-free, cadmium-free, and this is 100% clay pot. These are gorgeously made, handcrafted, such high quality. And you know, it's really interesting about these is that you season these just like cast iron. So we're really excited to try it out. We're excited to show you guys how we season these, and more importantly, how we cook with them. You can make yogurt in these, you can make roasts in these, you can make so many things with these pots. They even say that you can pressure cook with these. So we are so excited to get started. What do you want to cook first?